If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Barrett here at the garden this week, kind of seeing what needs to be replanted and some maintenance here. So I will take you around and show you what I have done. This is just more of a vlog or what I've done, not so much of how I did it. So a couple of weeks ago I planted bush beans and didn't get the fencing up, did it in the rain, didn't get any deer defeat sprayed on it. So some of them did get eaten by a number of rabbits we have in the neighborhood. So I did put now chicken wire up and replanted the ones that I needed to. Same thing with the pole beans here. The tomatoes had pretty okay germination. If you're not familiar, I went ahead and what we've done in the past and what we're doing this year is simply just putting the tomato right in the ground, or the seed right in the ground. And let me get that there. Putting the tomato seed right in the ground and letting it grow, because by the end or 3/4 of the way through the season, if we would have done starts, last year we experimented with this and they both were producing the same amount at the same time of the season, as well as Holly has done this growing up, planted seeds directly in the ground, and they've done fine in this what used to be zone 5, now zone 6 garden. Peppers and eggplants are doing well. Some of them do have some fruit on them. They're a little stressed whenever they were in the container. They'll come out of that. We got the water irrigation system on. We had some issues with the irrigation system, some pinching of the pipe, and certain areas were not getting watered, so that has been fixed. The leeks and onions in the weed patch, as I've explained before, that's the way it's going to be. Garlic, I did harvest the scapes off of the garlic. This is a hardneck variety, multiple different varieties that we grow, and then in about 2 to 3 weeks that garlic will be ready to be harvested. More tomatoes that I replanted. I do have one start back here that was given to us. Now in the duration of the season, that will, the seedlings or the seeds will catch up to that plant there and will be the same height and producing at the end of the season. About a month ago I did plant the squash, summer squash, in the Rootmaker grow bags, and they have all germinated except for that one. I'm going to have to replant that. And then I do have cucumbers coming up on this side, not that side. I'll replant those before I get done today. Yacons there are doing okay. The potatoes are starting to flower here. These are just store-bought ones I threw in I don't know, a month and a half ago. That was some broccoli cauliflower that did not do well, so I went ahead and threw yacons in. Yacons are a root crop from South America that we grow. It's a tuber that you consume and a rhizome which you save for the next year. More garlic back here. I've cut the scapes on. More yacons there. Is all under irrigation. They will get 5 to 7 feet tall. This here is a weed, or a weed bed with weed fabric on it, and I have some winter squash, and no winter squash, so that will need to be replanted as well. And then the asparagus going to seed, and here is our golden raspberry patch that started with 4 plants and now has really taken off, and I did harvest a few. There are more in there that are getting ripe. So just a little brief reality of what our garden looks like. Not picture perfect or a magazine cover or PBS styled weed-free garden. That's what the weed barrier is for, to slow down on the weeds, and that seems to have made a tremendous difference so far in the little bit that we've done, especially around the summer squash here and the cucumbers. So, just an update. Thank you for checking in with me. Be sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I'm Joey Baird, and this has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.